G'day, Marc D, CutRock'R here. Saturday the 20th September. Don't forget to tune into Elevation Diecast Racing for the Redline Rumble. Post and tariffs have stopped me from sending. But here are the two cars that I really worked on to get up to speed. Great fun and frustrations as well. Thanks to DJ Triple J for the new Noodlehead. Cheers. Let's roll, see how they do. Well, a couple of old Redlines I was working on for Elevation Diecast, but unfortunately with the postal confusions we have here at the moment, they won't make it. Took me a while to sort of get them to a place where I was happy, given the fact that dust doesn't really cut it at the top end anymore. And yeah, so experimentation aplenty at the moment. So let's roll and see how they go. Just have to excuse the current track works at the moment. Let's roll. That's not running too badly. Change of lane, and I've moved a little bit of the track works. There we go, they're moving a bit quicker now. Warming up. I'm happy with those times. They may not be the money shot, but gee, I think they'd be pretty competitive. Good luck on the event and good luck all. Cheers. CutRock'R.